sweetie. Good morning. How's your how's your sleep, princess? It's good. No, I'm glad it's good. How's your belly? Is stomach doing good? Yeah, it's doing good. That's good. Mm. And how's your head doing? It's doing good. I'm glad. You had a headache the other night. I was concerned. That's good, baby. I'm glad you're doing good. No, sweetie. Can I get you anything? Anything whatsoever? Do you want a purse? Hmm? Do you want water? Are you hungry? I can make you breakfast. Your favorite breakfast. Yeah? And now? You want to just lie here and cuddle? We can do that. We can lie here and cuddle. Still can't believe. I still can't believe that there's gonna be 3 of us. Me, you, and the baby. I know it's wild. I mean, I never thought I would ever get here. I never thought I would even be a father soon. I know it's crazy, but it's always been a dream of mine. No, sweetie, don't worry, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. I promise. I know it can be a little nerve-wracking, but we'll figure it out on the way. You have me, and I have you. And our baby's gonna be so beautiful. It is. And I'll always take care of you. And I'll always take care of the baby. So everything's gonna be okay. Okay. I promise. Sweetie. Let me touch your belly really quick. Skin so smooth. So nice. I think I can feel the baby moving. Yeah, I can feel it. I think the baby's kicking. I still can't believe that we're gonna be parents. And I know we're gonna be a family soon. I know it's crazy. It's really, really crazy. No, sweetie, don't worry, okay? You really don't need to worry at all. You don't. You're gonna be a great mother. Of course, you're gonna be a great mother. I know. I know you're gonna be a great mother. Well, it's probably because you're such a caring person. You're so loving. You're so nurturing. I mean, that's why I fell in love with you in the first place. Of course. You're my everything. Of course, I'm gonna be a good father. I'll be a great father, okay? I'll raise our child the best that I can. And I'll love you and the baby with all my heart. So I promise you, I'll be a great father. And also a great husband. Because you guys are my everything. You know, when I first saw you, I was so nervous to come up and say hi. I was scared. I was terrified, I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the world. But I'm glad I got the courage to walk up to you and talk to you. And I got your number. I was so shocked. I was excited when I got your number. And when we went on a first date, I fell madly in love with you. I was absolutely in love with you. I still remember what you were wearing. And the perfume that you were wearing, I can still smell it like it was yesterday. You were so kind. You were so caring. You were so nurturing. I knew you were the one that I wanted to spend my life with. And look at us now. We're gonna have a family together. I know it's wild. But the journey was worth it with me and you. And I'm excited to continue this journey with you. I love you so much. The baby's kicking right now. Yeah. Baby's kicking kind of hard. Let me grab that. Let me grab the hot water bottle for you, yeah. It's gonna make you feel better. Give me 1 second, sweetie. sweetie. I got you your water bottle. Here. Let me put on your belly for you. There you go. Doesn't that feel better? Glad it feels better, sweetie. Of course. I would do anything for you and the baby. Absolutely anything. Here. Come close, let's cuddle tight.